Hey everybody, so today we're back with a tutorial about delays on reverse cymbals and reversers. So sometimes you have a delay built into the reverse. So if you look at this one, it's got a tail. So let's have a look. You'll see there's no delay on my channel. It sounds great. Now let's put that with a down sweep. Now, sometimes if you don't have a delay on a reverse cymbal, it can really sound strange. Now, there is a down sweep and a crash to mask it. Let's have a listen how it sounds. So I can hear clearly, even with the down sweep, that the tail on the reverse just stops dead and it sounds unappealing. It's a small detail, but it's the small details that make you, a great producer, not just a good producer. So it is only a minor detail, but you've got to remember, a lot of the times you might not have a crash and a down sweep. So let's have a look where you don't want a crash and a down sweep, and you just want a nice reverb kick. So I often have sections. This is a full breakdown, and I've made sure that each transition has got everything on it. But I'll often have a transition like this. So we turn this off. Sorry, I had the riser there. I'll often have a transition, essentially like. So let me show you on here instead. That's a better example. So if we just kill the reverb, so the delay. That was a good way to show you. You can see it makes a massive difference. So what happens when you have not got effects with tails, reversers with tails? Very simple. All you need to do is put on a repeater delay. I use a tape delay, and it's really important that you don't put the delay at the start of a sample, because if you do, it's going to basically delay the entire sample. Now, it's not too bad on a short sound, but like this riser here, it's not got a tail, so we needed a delay on it. So let's go to the delay. If I didn't automate it up, the delay would start right at the start of the reverse, and it would sound pretty crap at the end. So all we do is I just get a tape delay in Logic, so just a repeater delay, and I just automate from the last bar, okay, second to last bar, to the last bar. So I'll put my node at the second to last bar, and another node at the last bar, and I put it up 20%. And what we get now is, sorry. Do the same with delay. I then just pull it back down like 4 bars later, sorry. Let's try again, but without the delays. So there you go. Just a very simple tip, but it makes your effects a lot cleaner. And this applies with anything really, anything that's a reverse. Just be careful that you are adding a tail. Obviously, if you add a tail and you can't hear it, and you've checked that the mixing is perfect, then you don't need it. But more often than not, I find that it just adds a smoothness to your transitions. So just a short tutorial there. As always, get in touch if you've got any questions. If I can help you out with anything, if you would like my template, let me know. Or if you're interested in my one-to-one lessons, give me a shout. We've had some great success over the years. And that's tutorials@adamellisdj.com. And there's a link in the description. Please do like and comment on the video. It takes 5 seconds, and it just really helps me grow the channel and do more. I'd really like to grow the channel and be able to do a lot more. We're currently doing, as of the 26th of April, we're doing a tutorial every Monday and every Friday. We reply to every single comment. Very important to get that interaction. And we have updated or are updating all the thumbnails and every single video. We're going through 99 videos and updating the name and the description as well as a thumbnail. So we're putting a lot of effort and a lot of time into it. And if you could just drop a like and a comment, it would be really appreciated. hundreds of people view these videos, but barely anyone comments, and it's such a shame. So if you do want me to continue, I would really appreciate it. You know, I want to help you guys out, but at the same time, I want the channel to grow, and it takes no more than 20 seconds to just drop a quick comment and a like. So yeah, thanks for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.